In this video, I will show you how to download TikTok on your PC. To begin the process, first locate the Windows icon in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Now, click on that Windows icon and type Microsoft Store into the search bar that appears. Wait for the results to populate, and once they do, click on the Microsoft Store application from the list. Once you're inside the Microsoft Store, look towards the top of the window for a search bar. Click on it, and type in TikTok. After entering your search term, hit enter or click on the search icon. In just a moment, you'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official TikTok app among these options. Click on it to open its page. Next up is an important step. Click on the Get button to start downloading and installing TikTok onto your laptop or PC. Before you can proceed with downloading, ensure that you're signed into your Microsoft account. If you're not logged in yet, you might encounter issues while trying to get TikTok. Now it's time to open it. You can either click Open directly from the store or find its new icon on your desktop or within your Start menu. Once you've opened the app, you will be greeted by a login screen. Enter your credentials if you already have an account. If you're new to TikTok, don't worry, you can easily sign up directly through this interface too. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.